In general, when you're making unposed, real life photos, there's just no way in the world to know when something dynamic, interesting or photo-worthy will take place in front of the camera. Not everything is under our control, so there's always at least some luck involved. On the other hand, as much as luck is involved in the capturing of great photos, of moments, of gestures, of expressions, if you're the sort of person who can look at a photo and genuinely say, oh, the photographer only made that because he or she got lucky, then you're kind of making excuses for your own photography, and you're sort of giving up before you even ever really begin. A funny thing a friend of mine said once, when looking at these kinds of photos, he said, you must be carrying birds in your pocket or something to be able to capture such moments so often. Of course, I don't carry birds around, but you know what? For me, flying birds are a great way to make a photo more dynamic, to add a bit of life to it, even a bit of magic. So birds taking flight are just something that I look out for whenever there's an opportunity, something that I anticipate. Anticipating the possibility of something happening, whether it's flying birds or a moment, a gesture, an expression, or a holy man walking through flying birds with a dog by his side. It's so important to get these kinds of photos. I made a photo of the boy running through this same spot in part just because I anticipated that this could be something special. When the ingredients for something special actually appeared, when I got lucky, I was about as ready as I could be to make the most of this situation. And this is because I anticipated what might happen. So it's this whole idea of preparation meeting luck. To make any of these kinds of photos, I had to be prepared. The level of luck varied, but in all cases I had my camera ready. I always anticipated the possibility that something would happen, and sometimes I even visualized it. Anticipating and being prepared to take advantage of luck is crucial. It'll help you get these kinds of photos consistently, or at least relatively consistently. Before I go, I just want to let you know that if you liked this video, it's actually a short segment from a longer video on the same topic. You can watch the longer video by clicking on the link that's on the screen right now. Goodbye for now.